What is up, YouTube? Easy Boy D on the YouTube video, man. Today, it is snowing in Louisiana, so once you like the video, comment, video, subscribe channel. If you guys are new, we're gonna go outside for a little while, man. Get a cold start of the truck and do a little bit of talking. Let's get right to this video. Dre, look. Ooh, look at these snow, you guys. Look at this snow, dog. Bro, it is insane out here. Even the steps got this hard snow on it. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Snow is ridiculous, bro. Look how beautiful outside. It's nasty out here. The truck is all covered in snow, you guys. Bro, our whole street is full of snow. Check out the whole neighborhood, you guys. Look at it. Bro, you got snow all in the yard. That's insane, bro. Look at that. First snow day in Louisiana, bro. It's been a while since it snowed like this, you guys. I think it's been a couple years. I'm not too sure, but the truck is filthy, man. Look at that. I got snow in the wheels, in my rims. The truck is all full of dirt. We got snow covering the door, the windows. Look at that, bro. Snow all over right now. Look at some of my rims. Got the old truck looking filthy right now. Started off good. Like I said, it does look good. You guys let me know what I should do to the truck. I ain't stay out here long, but just want to give you guys some snow clips and snow action. And just gonna show you guys the yard. I'm gonna show you guys the backyard as well, bro. Look how clean, look how different the backyard looks now. Oop. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. This snow done picked up. Now it's at least a couple inches of snow right here, that you guys see. Lord, my steps, man. So the truck is filled on snow right there, bro. Look at that. Look at the yard, guys. That's crazy. My wife's car is messed up right now. My truck, and this is the doorway. And guys, look at that. You guys, look at this. It's hard to get down the steps, bro. The steps is covered, bro, which is insane. Gee. Truck is covered. It's hard getting down them steps, bro. But I got some of my wheels all on the top of my truck, all of everything here. That's crazy, bro. Look at that. You can't see anything, bro. Everything is white. My neighbor's truck is all wired out too. Everything, bro. That's crazy. Look at that. Just to get up the steps, bro. The steps to my mom's place is even crazy. But I just want to bring you guys along in the video. The steps are even iced, bro. Look at that slick ice, you can see. Ow, come on, Deshaun, man. Jeez. Bro, look at the snow in the road.
Exactly, people driving it
Look at that snow, y'all. Little dog can't walk outside, can't bring outside. How pretty the sky is. Come on, love. Hey, come over here. Hey. My little dog, she come outside with us too. Go ahead, love, go play. Dog, look at the roads, dog. Look at the roads, you guys. That's insane. What? Our mailbox even covered. Yeah, bro, look at that. They got snow everywhere, bro. Woo. Look, that's crazy. Look at the snow. Love. Hi, mama. Come on, love. Come on. Look at the snow. Come on. All right, you guys, look how beautiful the sky is too, bro. Sky done cleared up. Trees looking beautiful.
Dre, post a picture of the snowman.
Yard looking good. What's up?
Post a picture
I got
of the
you.
snowman.
I'm posting a few. Yeah, the truck is like I said, stuck in some snow like that, but that's my family having fun over there, bro. My little brother's being weird because he likes the snow. But anyway, look at that. Yeah, bro, it's this yard is crazy. Oh, let me show you guys my thing real quick, bro. So you guys gotta subscribe to the channel because I did this, bro. Look at that. Sliding with D. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel on this snow day.